All right, here we are in the last video of lesson 23. And we're looking at this word problem. The prize-winning carrot at the county fair was 6 25/100 meters long. Think about that, 6 meters. That's super long carrot. Probably the length of the classroom. I don't know. What is the length of the carrot in mixed units of meters and centimeters? Okay, so this is when we have a mixed number and we have to change it to meters and centimeters. We'll jump in and I'll show you what we're talking about here. Okay, so we have 6, right? And 25/100 meters. Well, we don't need to convert the 6 to meters. It already is meters, right? But instead of using a decimal here, we're going to change this to centimeters, right? Because we don't always say 6 25/100 meters. We sometimes say 6 meters and this many centimeters, right? Okay, so we're going to keep the 6 the way it is, and we're going to change this to centimeters. So just like we always do, we're going to write it out. 25/100 times 1 meter, right? 25/100 of a meter. And we're going to write it again. 25/100 times. Now, we're converting it into centimeters, right? So we're going to substitute with the exact same number of centimeters, just like we've been doing all this lesson. There are 100 centimeters, that should be a centimeter, is the same as 1 meter, right? 100 centimeters is the same as 1 meter. Let me just see if I can get an eraser for some of this mess I'm making here. Okay, let's just change that to make it a little bit clearer for you to see. 100 centimeters, right? Okay, so 25/100 times 100 will be 25. Just shifting our digits to the right, the left, 1, 2 times, and it becomes 25 centimeters. Okay, so our carrot at the county fair is 6 meters and 25 centimeters long. Got that? Okay, awesome. Let's do a little bit more practice with that. Let's see. We've got some practice problems here. Let's check out 8 liters and 92 milliliters is how many liters. So you see how this one is a little bit different because now we have it broken down into liters and milliliters. We're going to change it to decimals. Okay, do you see that? So here's what we have to do to make that happen. We have to say we have 8 liters. So we're going to leave our 8 liters alone. Okay, we're going to leave our 8 liters alone, but we're going to change our 92 milliliters into liters. Okay, so 92 times 1 milliliter. That's what we have right here, right? We're just rewriting it, expanding it out. Now 92 times, what can we substitute for 1 milliliter? Because we're changing to liters, right? We're changing to liters. So we're going to ask ourselves, well, how many milliliters are in 1 liter? And we can look that up and we can see that 1 milliliter is actually 1,000th of a liter. Isn't that crazy? 1 milliliter is 1,000th of a liter because there's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So then we multiply 92 times 1,000th, and guess what it's going to equal to? 92 thousandths. Yeah, 92 times 1,000th. That makes sense, right? So 8 liters and 92 milliliters is equal to 8 and 92 thousandths liters. All right, see how that works? Okay, now when you do your problem set, let me just show that to you really quick because there's some interesting things there. When you do your problem set down here, you might want to go look at page 263 right now because this is what it looks like. You can always pause the video to go look at that. I thought this was a little confusing, this expression part here. Yeah, so 100 milliliters is how many centimeters? So 100 times 1/10, because a milliliter is a tenth of a centimeter, right? So 100 times 1/10 equals 10, just shifting your digits. So your expressions over here are going to show what you're multiplying. So 7 and 8/10 centimeters would be 10 times 7 and 8/10 because there's 10 milliliters in a centimeter. So that's how you're going to find your millimeters, and back and forth like that. Okay, I just wanted to show you that. And now you have worked very hard to earn yourself a funny animal video. Check it out.
Ai, rapaz, caiu!
É ele,
Caiu!
I got my boots, I got my hat. I'm bringing country back.
All right, see you next time.